Begin by opening the receiver. Remove the 2 screws on the back of the receiver. Pry open the receiver and locate the black plastic spring cover at the base. Using a sharp object, press into the spring cover and push inward toward the center of the Garmin, releasing the spring which secures the receiver. Gently unfasten the receiver and remove the spring, revealing the 2 screws which hold the Garmin case together. The yellow ribbon cable should remain attached. Remove the 2 screws using the tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com. Carefully open the Garmin using the shim tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com. Shift the upper portion of the Garmin to the side to reveal 2 screws. Remove the 2 screws and gently lift the circuit board. Detach the 2 connectors from the circuit board as shown. Remove the original battery and place a new extended life battery from newpower99.com into your Garmin. Reattach the 2 connectors to the circuit board as shown. Replace the circuit board and screws. Gently snap the Garmin shut. Replace the 2 screws as shown. Return the spring to its original position and snap the receiver in place. Replace the screws on the back of the receiver. Turn on your Garmin with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Garmin should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the unit for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. newpower99.com, your source for batteries for your cell phone, PDA, MP3 player, laptop, and more. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.